Hello people of the web and YouTube, Steve here, welcome back to Hack Time, whoa. So okay guys, as you can tell by the title of today's video, today I'm going to be showing you how to, well, make a clean and very professional desktop setup with nothing more than just two programs. Now what these two programs do, they're actually pretty damn basic, and I will probably make my own video on how to make something very similar to them in the future. But don't get me wrong, these are free. You can download these two programs for free and they will save your life in the long run, trust me. Now the first program I use a lot, even though I don't really need, considering I do it mostly by command prompt already, is Bulk File Changer. Now what this program allows you to do is it allows you to pretty much hide icons on the fly. And as you can see, I already got some hidden here, so if I hit F6 and hit turn off, that icon will appear on my screen. And as you can see, I have a lot of icons hidden right now, just because that's kind of how I like the desktop. I usually keep everything hidden, but then later on I'll go and wildcard it with the wildcard button here and then unhide all my icons as I need them. But as you can see, that program works. It hides my icons. It makes everything really clean and nice. But it's not perfect. If you go into a game after hiding your icons, or you decide to close out a bulk file changer, your icons will be kinda thrown out of whack. Let's just simulate this by like moving these around, for instance. As you can see, oh no, my icons moved. Whatever shall I do? If I were to right click my desktop, hit desktop restore, and hit restore, you can see like magic, my icons go back into their original positions. Now this tool, as I already probably mentioned, it is called Desktop Restore, and by far it's probably my favorite thing out there, and I hope to God that Windows will learn from this tool and add it in future updates, because it's freaking sweet. And if this feature is already in Windows, let me know, because I obviously haven't seen it or heard of it. But essentially what this does is it saves your icon position to a file, and you can specify what kind of file, where, and all that kind of stuff. But if you quickly want to, let's say, move an icon over here and you want the position of it to stay over there, all you gotta do is right click, desktop restore, save desktop, and then hit OK. You're pretty much done. If these icons ever shall move, you can just right click restore, restore desktop. Now, before I continue, I know some of you guys may be asking this, will desktop restore help when you game at a different resolution? Well, the short answer is yes. Actually, I do this all the time when I want to play, well, MechWarrior 4. I don't know why I kept wanting to call it Mech Assaults. This game I have as my wallpaper, and whenever you play it, it moves your icons around, and this is pretty much the only reason why I got this tool. But now I wish I had it even before then, because you can do all kinds of things with it. If you want different letters if you want different icons in different shapes, all you have to do is just organize them that way, save it to a file, and you can change your desktop icon layout every day if you wanted to, which is pretty cool. Or you could just restore it to the default thing whenever you want. But yeah guys, with that said, I know I'm rambling, I'm sorry. It is currently like 1 o'clock here, it's really late for me, and that's pretty much it for today's video. But if you liked it, let me know, and I will gladly do another kind of desktop micromanagement video, but I'll probably be using my own coded programs, because I'm going to try to recreate both of these tools with other software, or well, in this case with this one, I'm probably going to make a batch file. And when I figure out how desktop restore works, I'm probably going to reverse engineer it and make a video on how to make your own desktop restore utility without needing to go and download some random one online. But don't get me wrong, these two programs are free, they're really good, and I'll link them down below. And actually, one more thing before I go, because I know this is going to be said. What is my wallpaper? Well, that is another tool entirely called Wallpaper Engine, and I gotta say, it's a freaking fantastic tool. It can save the video to RAM, so the tool cannot even really need to be running in order to set your wallpaper. It's really cool, okay? I recommend you guys to go check it out. It's $3, but it's totally worth it. And with that said, today's video is pretty much long enough. That's all I really needed to say and show in order for you guys to go and organize your own desktop and have it clean and nice to whatever you like. Now with that said, I'm gonna leave this off here. DTPK signing off. Peace. Now what I like to do is, you can do this anywhere, it doesn't necessarily have to be a point in your video, and this is basically the plan. We're gonna start to, well, rip open the USB Air